Go ahead and take a look inside the trunk. Let's see. Bam. I got the car. I didn't look inside the trunk, so let's see what we have. Okay, so before we get started cleaning this car, I went over it one time last night. It was dark. Let's go ahead and put some air in the tires because I will have to clean the tires, and I want to be able to get most of the dirt off. And with it partially low, that won't work. So, we're gonna bring out the Teslon, right? Let me see. Okay, it powered itself off. It's the battery. Let's see how much juice we have. I will leave a link in the description below for this product. Very, very neat. It comes with a bag and all that good stuff. The extra, if you need to air up, different kind of items, everything is inside that piece. And you got this part here. You got a light. So it's very neat. And as you see, look at there. I just put it back in the bag when I'm done. And here we go. So what I like to do, I like to run mine at 40 psi. These are some good years, so yeah, 40 psi will work. So let's go ahead and do that. Hook this bad boy up. All right, so now I got it plugged up. It tells me what the pressure is right now, and let's go ahead and bump this up. Like I said, I like to do 40 psi. Whoa, 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 we didn't say that far now. Hold on. Hold on now. I don't want to, we don't want the tire to be in pieces. Just trying to put a little juice in there, a little air. All right, so, I just set it. All right, and you see it cuts off itself once it reaches the number you input it. There we go. And the tire now has air in it. Now, like I said, you can, this works on car tires. If you got sports balls or whatever you're trying to air up, bicycle tires, you can do truck tires. It will not do semi tires. I wouldn't try it with a semi, but just regular automobiles, cars, trucks, SUVs, this will work. So we got one more we need to air up right here, and I just need to check the pressure in the other ones. And it does, if you just want to check the pressure, it will do that for you as well. I love the digital screen. That does allow you to see everything right off the back. So, wow, this one is down to 10 psi. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so about to get started again with the cleaning. So we got a nice little ways to go to get these numbers off. Probably get the numbers off another day. And I got to work on the paint. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel because I will be going through the entire vehicle, getting it ready to go. I'm gonna rinse this one off first, and then we're gonna go ahead and spray it. It's something about when I buy these vehicles, they always have these muddy tires. So I give me some more wheel cleaner. One vehicle I bought, it was actually parked like in the area where the mud was, so I had to actually drive it through the mud. So you can imagine how the tires look after I did that. Definitely need to spray this one because it had a lot of dirt and mud on it. These wheel covers, we're gonna take care of those as well. We're gonna keep the original ones. Yeah, let's see. All right. You know what kind of wheel cleaner you guys use on your vehicle? Just got some basic wheel cleaner from the parts store. I had a brush, but I can't find my brush, so I'm glad I found the wheel cleaner. Oh, they got bricks in the trunk. What the world? Man, y'all using the car to build a house? They actually got real bricks in the trunk. Oh, okay. Brand spanking new tire. You know what? What size is this one? 225. Yo, this might. Oh, this car hold. Is that what's on this? Yeah, 225. Yo, this tire right here, I think this would fit the Crown Vic. And I actually need to buy some tires for the Crown Vic. So, well, I bought one. I gotta buy 3 more. Where's the date at on here? The date. And I ain't gonna lie, the one I got on the car, this is a lot better than the one that's on the car. Yeah, we might have to take this one. Alright, yeah, they were doing some construction work or something, because they got bricks, they got some stakes. Oh, this fire extinguisher, is it still good? Not really, but fire extinguisher probably won't be bad to have. Something within the roll and some safety glasses. There's a jack in here. Look like something in here. I don't look like. Yeah, I think I might see a jack in here. All right, that's what's in the trunk. Got your little wheel cover. That how they did it with the Impala back in the day. Just do a little cover over and throw your grocery on top. They can at least put it on toward the back. All right. All right, we are here getting the Impala cleaned up. It's after. Before, don't worry about the paint. We're gonna get to that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.